Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And today we have a church in the forest, and it is a beautiful place in the nature. The forest can also be known as the lungs for the life. So in this place, in this forest, I especially like they teaches us how many types of trees are there. There were about 88 species of trees. We went for to look inside. First of all, we went inside and looked at the different kinds of trees.
Welcome to Telangana State Forest Academy.
Thank you, sir.
This is basically a training institution. All those people who write forest department exam, who get qualified, they come here for training. So 3 types of training take place here. Forest beat officers, 6 months training equivalent to constable rank. Forest section officers, 1 year training equivalent to inspector rank. Forest range officers, 18 months training equivalent to DSP rank. Now forest section officers and beat officers come from only Telangana, whereas forest range officers come from throughout India. After coming here, they get some theoretical inputs. After that, they are sent to forest throughout South India, wherever forests are there. They are sent there and they will learn how to protect forest, wildlife and nature. And after the training, they come back here and they go back to their respective states and districts, and in their districts they protect forest, wildlife and nature. So in 2003, then the director, he felt we have such a natural, beautiful forest, why not invite students and invite them and educate them about the importance of forest, wildlife and nature. So in 2003, he started a program called CAFE. Director initiated a program called CAFE, which stands for Children and Forest Education. So you're all because of the initiative of CAFE program. CAFE stands for Children and Forest Education. Now, Dullapalli forest is 1000 acres. But as a training institution which is fenced is 200 acres. So now we are in the fenced area, which is 200 acres. So we will walk inside the forest for a nature walk or a nature trail. While walking inside the forest, you will come across various forest trees which are useful to us. Now what they have done is they have placed boards either on the tree or in front of the tree. Now if you are having notebook, pen, please note down. Otherwise, I request the teachers to take photos of the boards and one of you can record my voice. Okay. Now the first one is, one more thing. In this forest, there are more than 200 peacocks, wild boars, jungli suvar. Do you understand what is a hare, H-A-R-E?
Yes.
What is a hare?
That.
Arey ma'am, you don't know. Wild rabbits are called hare. Monitor lizards, snakes. Yeah, stop talking here. Monitor lizards, snakes. 86 varieties of birds are identified in this forest. 88 varieties of butterflies are also identified in this forest. This wood is crushed into powder. That powder is boiled in hot water. Whatever settles at the bottom is used as katta. You all have eaten pan?
Yes.
On the betel leaf, first they apply lime chunna, white color.
Yes, sir.
And after that they apply reddish brown color.
Yes, sir.
You all have gone to functions, you eat heavy food, some of them are offering pan, right?
Yes.
This katta helps in digestion. That's the reason why they offer you pan. Now, these days we are using grinders, right?
Yes, sir.
In olden days, your grandparents, what have they used?
Chakki.
What is this called?
Well.
Oakley? Pestle. In English it's called pestle. That's also prepared out of this wood. The next one is moduga. Can you see moduga tree?
Yes, sir.
On the top, can you see leaves?
Yes, sir.
These leaves are stitched together and we make leaf plates, patroli. In Telugu we call visrakulu. These days people are using thermocol and plastic plates. Please remember, when you put hot food on the plastic and thermocol, whatever carcinogens are there present in the plastic get mixed with your food and it can cause even cancer. Your brothers, your elder ones bring chai in plastic cover, and when you buy idli, They give you sambar.
Yes.
If you put hot substance in the plastic, that carcinogen get mixed. That is harmful to your health. People eat also in banana leaf. Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
So when you put hot food on the leaf, this one or banana leaf or whatever leaf, whatever nutrients present in the leaf get mixed with your food, and that is healthy.
Oh.
So one is we make leaf plates out of these leaves. Second, how many of you love chicken 65? Raise your hands. How many of you eat chicken 65? How many of you eaten baraf ka gola?
Yes.
See, whatever color they are using is synthetic chemical. It is harmful to health if you eat on a continuous basis. Once or twice it's okay. Now this tree bears flowers. They extract natural colors. Okay, and if you come during the month of April and May, you will find orange color flowers. Because of the wind, when it oscillates, from distance it appears as if there is fire on this tree. That's why this tree is called flame of the forest. Okay, so teachers, what is the name of this tree? Ullinda, Ullinda, Ullinda. This wood is used for agricultural tools and agricultural implements. Do you know what is a plow?
Yes.
Who uses it? Farmers. So that also prepared out of this wood. And if you have a hammer at home, the handle part is made out of wood. That is also prepared out of this one. You all hear me?
Yes, sir.
What is the name of this tree?
Shirumanu.
Shirumanu. This tree secretes gum which is edible in nature. What is edible? Anything which is fit for eating is called edible. Go and look at the oil packet at home. It will be written edible oil. That means that oil is fit for consumption. This gum is edible in nature, which is used in chocolates, ice creams, confectionaries and biscuits. Chewing gum, bubble gum. Okay. Here only I'll explain. Can you shake the tree, ma'am? That one behind the board. Observe the tree which is being shaken now. वो board के पीछे जो झाड़ है, shake करो उसको. In cities we have wine shops, we have bars, so people will go and access. But what happens to those people who live in forests and tribal areas? They will not have access to such facilities. So this tree bears flowers. When you crush that flower, the juice which comes out has properties of intoxication. What is intoxication? Nasha. So tribals use that flower juice as tribal liquor. And आप लोगों के जो मुकद्दस जगह है, वैसा भी हमारा एक मुकद्दस जगह है भद्राचलम. सुने आप लोग?
Yes, sir.
तो जब इबादत करने जाते हैं तबरुक पता है?
Yes, sir.
तो हम प्रसादम बोलते हैं. प्रसादम के साथ एक फ्लावर देते हैं जिसको इप्पा फ्लावर बोलते हैं, और तेलुगु में इप्पा सारा बहुत मशहूर है. इप्पा, ठीक है. This tree also bears seeds. When you crush it, gives oil which is used in lamps. So the bark of this tree contains an alkaloid called tannin, T-A-N-I-N, and this tannin is used in tannery. What is tannery?
Don't know, sir.
चलिए आपके खरीद लेके जाता हूँ मैं. सब लोग बकरीद मनाते हो?
Yes, sir.
कुछ जुबा करते हो?
Yes, sir.
क्या जुबा करते हो?
Bakra.
जिल्द निकलता है? स्किन.
Yes,
उसको खैरात करते हो?
yes.
किसको खैरात करते हो?
गरीब को.
मदरसों में,
Yes.
मस्जिदों में. वो लोग क्या करते हैं?
कपड़े बनाते हैं.
हाँ? कपड़े बनाते बोल रहे.
बनाते भी.
Leather products. So tannery is nothing but leather industry. So they use this tannin for purification of leather. Okay. The next one. बोर्ड के ऊपर सेकेंड लाइन पे क्या लिखा हुआ है? बीड़ी. आकू means leaf. So what they do is they take the leaves, they roll tobacco to make बीड़ीज. सिर्फ वो पत्ता इस्तेमाल करते हैं बीड़ीज बनाने के लिए. People are using gas stove, kerosene and electric stove in cities, but those people who live in tribal areas and forests, they will not have such facilities. So when they venture into forest, when they go into forest, they look for this tree, because this tree wood is used as firewood. What is the name of this tree?
Firewood.
Pachara. Wood. क्या लिखा है?
Pachara.
So pachara wood is used as firewood. It gives bright and big flame, easy to cook. अब यहीं से मैं समझा देता हूँ. वो बड़ा झाड़ दिख रहा है ऊपर अम्ब्रेला के जैसा है.
Yes, Gumpena.
What is the name of the tree?
Gumpena.
Gumpena tree gives soft wood. What wood? Soft wood. Now you should tell me, we all use at home. When you do like this, it breaks. What is that we all use at home, and when we do like this, it breaks? Teachers मत बोलिए, teachers मत बोलिए.
दालचीनी.
You want one more clue? Matchstick. Clap for her. We all use at home matchstick.
Yes.
You do like this, it breaks.
Yes.
One more item. When we go out, we eat something. At the end, something remains in our hand. When we do like this, it breaks.
Ice cream.
Clap for her. So that tree, remember the name of that tree. आगे जाने के बाद पूछूंगा मैं, बुक में देख के नहीं बोलना. This Gumpena tree gives soft wood and we make matchsticks and ice cream sticks. I don't know about students, but your teachers might have seen black and white television with the doors.
Yes.
Solitaire, ECTV, Dynora. You have not seen.
No.
Earlier, they used to make wooden cabinets of the televisions. Now only matchsticks and ice cream sticks. How many of you have recently constructed a house or constructing now? Recently constructed. First we lay the foundation pillars,
Yes, sir.
then slab,
Yes, sir.
then walls. Local bats are prepared out of this wood. What Sachin Tendulkar, Dhoni, Virat Kohli used is prepared out of Kashmir willow wood, but the local bats are prepared out of this one. Can you see the tree being shaved?
Yes, sir.
You see big leaves?
Yes, sir.
That is teak wood. What is it?
Peaceful.
Sagwan. It is considered as king of all woods. We make all types of furniture. Very expensive and durable. What is durable? Long lasting. Now it is considered as king of all wood because when we try to make designs on other wood, it gets cracks. Teak wood doesn't get cracked. That's why it is considered as king of all woods. How many of you remember types of rock? Raise your hands. Sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks, and one more with I. I start with the letter I. Igneous rocks. Millions of years ago, there was volcanic activity and the lava flowed and it settled here. It cooled down, it solidified and it formed igneous rocks where you are standing right now. Okay. What is it written on the last two lines? Read loudly. A shelter for natural nocturnal animals. What are nocturnal animals? Animals which are active at night are called nocturnal animals. So I told you some animals are here, right?
Yes, sir.
So wherever you are standing, they come and take rest on these rocks. Eucalyptus, what is it? We extract Nilgiri oil. What oil?
Nilgiri oil.
Which is used in Zinda Talisman.
Yes, sir.
You all know Zinda Talisman.
Yes, sir.
Everybody is having Zinda Talisman at home.
Yes, sir.
Do you know it cures all common ailments?
Yes, sir.
Now I'll tell you one after the other common ailment what it cures. Count on your fingertips. And at the end, just tell me the number. Are you ready to count?
Yes, sir.
I will run like an express train.
Yes.
Are you ready to count?
Yes, sir.
Headache, earache, toothache, nasal blockade, breathing problems, coryza, sore throat, throat infection, tonsillitis, stomach disorders, indigestion, constipation, loose motions, diarrhea, dysentery, cough, cold, fever, body pains, joint pains, muscular pains. Pregnant women can use it. Bilious and retching. How many did you? ये वो तो नहीं ला सकते मैम आप. Can you see the tree being shaked?
Yes.
I'll give you one clue. The tree which being shaked. Pushpa.
Yes.
This is not red sandalwood.
But this is that only.
Sandalwood. This is sandalwood. Now if you break, it will not give any fragrance. When it grows into 25-30 years, it starts giving fragrance, which is used in different industries. Sandalwood talcum powder.
Yes.
Sandalwood perfume.
Yes.
Sandalwood soap.
Yes.
Sandalwood oil.
Yes.
Sandalwood incense sticks, agarbatti.
Yes, sir.
But the last one, I don't know, your teachers might have seen sandalwood toys. Toys mein se smell aata. For treating water, they use one chemical. What is the name of the chemical which is used for treating water before it is being sent to our houses? It starts with the letter? Chlorine. Clap for her. कोई टीचर बोले आपको? Very good, clap for her. So in cities we have that facility. They treat the water and they send you to your houses. But those people who live in forests and tribal areas, they will not have such facilities. So they do have water bodies like lakes, rivers and ponds. They treat the water by using seeds of chilla tree. They put the seeds in the chilla tree. Whatever contaminants, pollutants, irritants present in the water, जो भी आलूदापन है उसको जज्ब करके water को purify करता है. The seeds of chilla tree are used as water purifiers.
हाँ बेटे
This thani pulp, when you eat, it cures constipation and it builds your immunity. Next ये कानुगा है. कानुगा का लीफ जो है सो जब क्रश करते हैं तो जूस आता है, वो इंसेक्टिसाइड के जैसा इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Then twigs are used for brushing teeth, just like neem twigs and miswak. And इससे सीड्स जब क्रश करते हैं उसमें से निकलता है बायोडीजल.
I would like to thank the management for bringing us here and showing us and giving us the important aspects of the forest. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are the students of Hidayah Islamic International School. I am Kulsum Fatima.
And I'm Afra.
We are of grade 10. Today I am incredibly excited to be here at the Forest Academy, a place where we can deepen understandings about the forest and their role in this world.
In the forest, 3 types of medicines are prepared out of one single tree. In allopathy, brucin tablets are prepared brucin, not brufin. In Ayurveda, the bark and root is used for treating BP and sugar. And in homeopathy, Nux vomica tablets are prepared. One single tree will make 3 types of medicine: allopathy, Ayurvedic and homeopathy. Earlier they used to make out of wood. These days it is metal or fiber. If there is a walking stick which is made out of wood, tell them that I have seen the tree out of which walking sticks are prepared. This is Uduga. They make walking sticks out of this one. Uduga. Uduga. Side please, side please, side please, side please, side please, side. का सामने इसी से बनता है. इसका नाम है बिल्लुडू. दिस गिव्स हार्डवुड. व्हाट वुड? हार्डवुड. हाथ मार के देखो एक बार, जोर से मारो. आपका हाथ तो भी टूट जाना, वो वुड तो भी टूटना. जोर से मारो. वेरी गुड. हाँ, वेरी गुड. जाओ. Television, newspapers and magazines. We are coming across one product called Dante Kanti. What is Dante Kanti? Patanjali toothpaste.
Yes.
So the leaves of this tree are used as mouth fresheners, and also the juice is used while making toothpaste. Dante Kanti, Dante, Dant, ऐसा याद रखो.
sound. Look up big sound.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.
All herbal garden, these all plants are cultivated medicinal plants. These plants not available nowadays in the forest. Why? These all are cultivated. Ayurvedic medicines also preparing these plants also, and nowadays allopathy plants, allopathy drugs also preparing these plants also. Understand? That one is Bavanchalu, Lorelia cordifolia, Bavanchalu. That seeds used in leprosy, psoriasis, and inflammatory diseases also.
Psoriasis is a skin disease.
This one is Pedda Gilgitcha, Coratalaria labarnifolia. Coratalaria labarnifolia, Pedda Gilgitcha. This flower will come, so many butterflies attracting this plant also. Okay? This is not medicinal use. Okay? So many butterflies attracting this plant also. Okay, this one is beetle. Palm leaf and a palm leaf.
Yes,
Beetle plant. Palm leaf. Piper beetle. That leaf used for pan mein. Pan. Atlaga. That is a leaf used for digestion. Verri mirapa. Local name is Verri mirapa. This is ringworm. Infection. Cure swellings and body pains and asthma also use this plant also. Plant name is Rauwolfia tetraphylla. Root used in snake bite. Fruits, fruits. Fruits used in dye. One of the color of dye. Preparing color. Okay. That one is Billa Ganneru. Catharanthus roseus. Catharanthus roseus Billa Ganneru. That leaf of flower whole plant used in cancer treatment. Okay, and sugar controlling also. This is Vamaka Ajwain. Unani merch में Ajwain tablets मिलेंगे ना bottle. Ajwain for digestion. Ajwain tablets preparing this leaf also. Unani merch. Ajwain. See, this is all universal disease also controlling. Tulsi. Okay. Cough, cold, fever. So many diseases also control this Tulsi plant. This one is Vasa. Acoras calamus, Vasa. You know Vasa? Tuber. 1 year below children. Giving this Vasa tuber. Peak early wards. Improve the wards. That smell it. That is lavender plant. Lavender oil. Extract the lavender oil. This one is geranium. This plant also extract the oil. That oil is for mosquito repellent plant. This is Marvamu, Mesrona hortensis. This branches used for flower garland, preparing flower garland and headache pains.
Sir, what is flower?
Anti-lice properties also. Anti-lice. Okay. This one is Coleus.
For shoki.
This one is Coleus.
For
Tuber is carrot shape. Tubers also available. This is asthma, gonorrhea, epidemic. One of the spices One of the spices, very mirchi ghat hai na. One of the spices. This is Dumparashtrama, Alpinia galanga. Alpinia galanga tubers also there in underground. Tubers also there. The tubers used for all mental disorders controlling. Okay. This one is Pipallu. This one is Pipallu, Piper longum. So many Ayurvedic medicines also preparing this fruit also.
Forests are not just a landscaping, but they are the lungs of the planet which provides us the oxygen, stores carbon, and also they maintain biodiversity. Through this, I hope we can gain some knowledge about the sustainable forester protectors and also we can protect them.
Absolutely. This department depends on the research, education, and creating awareness among the people for forest ecosystem. I would like to thank everyone for this great opportunity to give us to visit here. First of all, I would like to thank the staff and faculty to give us this great opportunity and to put their efforts and dedication in it. We will learn a valuable lesson and share it to our communities and loved ones. Once again, thank you for this. For a better tomorrow, we will try our best.